Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to add a passcode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select fingerprint, face and passcode. And here go to lock screen password. And now just tap on turn on passcode. And here you have to enter the one that you would like to have. So let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap on use. And now you have to confirm your passcode. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's it. You can enter your email address here. So if you forget the password, they will remind you. They will send you a link to reset the one that you have. But I will cancel it for now. And since now your passcode is protecting your OPPO, so just take a look. No one will be able to activate it without this passcode. If you would like to remove it, just go to settings. Then one more time select fingerprint, face and passcode. Tap on lock screen password. And here you have to enter the one that you set it up. And then just tap on turn off passcode. And the last time enter it. And that's it. Now there is no passcode on your device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.